Hey guys, so the fall is upon us, and with fall comes rain. I think it's been raining here for pretty much every day now for the past 2 weeks or so. Anyway, I wanted to show you something super duper affordable and a great way, in my opinion, to kind of protect your gear from dust, rain, snow, and that kind of stuff. So I found this kit here on Amazon the other day, and it's called... I will put a link down below anyway. But yeah, this is basically a kit full of different types of silicone port covers. We've got a whole assortment here that probably will work on your camera, monitors, transmitters, gimbals, and that kind of stuff. Pretty much anything within the assortment here that have exposed ports that you might feel better if you had those covered up. So we got USB-C, we got HDMI, which I've attached here already to my OC Lillman 5, along with this one here, which is for SD card slots. Yeah, and we got these super teeny tiny ones here for headphone jack, which I've also attached here. I'm gonna put one here. Sadly, I can't find anything that fits on this little port here, but you get the idea. There's also a couple of them that might work on your computer, so I've plugged up some of these ports here, and I'm gonna get to these ones here after I'm done with this video. But anyways, like I said, these are just like $6, $7, $8 or so for a whole bunch of these covers. My only recommendation, and I just wanted to try this out first, so that's why I only got one of these little kits, but I would suggest getting at least 2, maybe 3 of these kits, especially if you have a lot of gear, but also because you're probably gonna lose a couple of these along the way. But there's a little nub here on the outside, which you can actually grab with your fingernails, since these are pretty elastic. So in my opinion, a great and very, very affordable investment to help protect your camera gear and camera related stuff, and your, laptops, tablets, and what have you. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So thank you so much for stopping by. I will put links to both of these kits down in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.